In this question, different pairs of transition metal ions are given. We have to identify the pair which has the same spin only magnetic moment values. We have the equation to find out the spin only magnetic moment, that is mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2. Here n denotes the number of unpaired electrons present in the species. In case of the transition metal ions, we need to check the number of unpaired electrons present in the d subshell. Let's come to the options given here and find out the spin only magnetic moment values of each species. The first one is Zn2 plus ion. Zinc has the configuration 3d10 when they are losing 2 electrons to produce Zn2 plus ion. The electronic configuration become 3d10. Here D subshell has 10 electrons. In D subshell we can see 5 orbitals. So D10 configuration means all the electrons are paired. So N value will be 0. Now we can calculate the mu value, that is spin only magnetic moment, that is equal to 0. The second ion in the same pair is Ti2 plus ion or titanium 2 plus ion. Titanium has the electronic configuration 3d2 when they form Ti2 plus ion, the electronic configuration become 3d2. So two unpaired electrons are present, so the magnetic moment value will be equal to root of 8. So here both of them have different value for magnetic moment. The second pair include Cr2 plus ion and Fe2 plus ion. The first one is Cr2 plus, which has 3d4 configuration. So the 4 unpaired electrons will produce a magnetic moment value root 24. And the second one is Fe2 plus ion. Ion has the electronic configuration 3d6 when they lose 2 electrons, they will contain 3d6 configuration. Among these 6 electrons, 4 electrons will be unpaired and 1 will be paired. So the magnetic moment value is equal to root 24. So using this we can say both the ions have same magnetic moment values, that is equal to root of 24. And the third pair is titanium 3 plus ion and copper 2 plus ion. Titanium 3 plus has the configuration 3d1. Due to the presence of this one unpaired electron, the magnetic moment value is square root of 3. And the next one is Cu2 plus ion. Copper has the electronic configuration 3d10 when they forms the Cu2 plus ion, the electronic configuration become 3d9. In 3d9, all the 4 electrons will be paired and 1 electron will be unpaired. So the magnetic moment value will be equal to square root of 3. So we can say both these ions have the value square root of 3. And the last one is vanadium 2 plus ion and copper plus ion. Vanadium 2 plus has the electronic configuration 3d3 and the magnetic moment value is root 15. Similarly, in case of Cu plus, we can find out the magnetic moment value because copper plus ion has the electronic configuration 3d10. Copper has the configuration 3d10 4s1. Now, due to the absence of unpaired electrons, they have zero magnetic moment. So from these all 4 pairs, only 2 pairs have same value of magnetic moment. They are B and C. So from these options, the correct answer is option D.